Well, hello there. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler, and this is Meeting Expectations. If this is your first time here, what we do is we take a look at a can or a bottle of beer, we see what it has to say about itself, and then we see if it meets expectations. For those of you who are dropping by again, we've got a good one today. It's Sierra Nevada Hazy Little Thing IPA. So we've got Sierra Nevada. We've known those guys for years, and their IPAs are fantastic. So we're setting the bar a little high today. Okay, this one says it is a Sierra Nevada Brewing Company, Chico, California, and Mills Rivers, North Carolina. It has 6.7% alcohol by volume, and it is an ale. It's 12 fluid ounces. It doesn't say anything about IBUs at all. Interesting. Well, I'll get some information and put it down in the comments box. That way you'll be able to find out exactly what the calorie count is and everything on this one. But let's take a look at it. Again, it's the Hazy IPA. Okay. Hazy, they're going for the New England or the Northeast haze on their beer. A Little Thing IPA. That doesn't tell me much. So I'm not quite too sure what hop to expect, but Little Thing, I'm wondering what that little thing is. Well, let's crack it open and find out. Again, if you're first time here, we wouldn't mind if you clicked on the subscribe button and on the bell as well, and that way you won't miss any of our presentations. Okay, we have our beer tasting glass here, which is brought to me by Jerry Scott. You can see him in all of our tastings that were done at the Henry Street Ale House. All right, let's crack this open and see what we've got. Oh, it's hazy, all right. Right, that's quite a hazy beer. Now, all beers should be tasted at the right temperature. Lagers, usually around, say, 35, 40 degrees, and once you get up into the darker beers and the ales, cellar temperature, 50 degrees Fahrenheit is just about right. Let's see if we have this temperature correctly. Well, I left this out of the fridge a little bit too long. It's served up a little warm. That says 62 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is a little warm, so we're going to have to cut him some slack. Well, the first nosedive. Oh yes, there's definitely a good grassy type of a hop aroma there. And some orange. For some reason there's some orange in there, so that might be the type of hop that's involved. For a swig, there's a rich, and it's going to sound weird, but there's a rich citric flavor to this. It certainly is a big mouthfeel, and it's more of a tang, a spike in flavor. Let's go for a second sip. Mandarin orange seems to be an underneath kind of a metallic spike. And it is a spike to this beer. Very little malt to it, although it does have a full body. So, does Sierra Nevada Hazy Little Thing IPA meet expectations? It certainly does. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.